8 years ago, I prayed for a soulmate. I looked at that list we tend to make of what our ideal mate should look like, and it had tall, handsome, and muscular on it. My life changed forever when I exchanged those simple words for deeper and more complete sentences. So I started praying for somebody who was a true partner in life, who did not walk in front of me or behind me, but right beside me.
I'm already crying. I'm not going to be able to speak.
Yeah, the flowers.
Love is an extraordinary thing. Love is powerful. It's also unexpected. Your mind can think it knows it, but it's your heart, and your heart only that speaks its language. To me, Lina is an unexpected vessel, a vessel of God's love. Everyone that meets her is drawn to her, people of all ages. Kids love her. She's like the Peter Piper of people. To know her is to love her. And she's seriously hilarious. Honestly, we laugh all the time. Lina gets me. Not sure how she knows, but she just knows how I'm feeling without me having to tell her. And she understands. She understands me. And she loves me, not despite my shortcomings, but for them. Lina is the most beautiful person I've ever met. She is this incredible classic beauty with a heart of gold. I love Lina for so many reasons, but the thing I love most about her is her faith. It's incredible faith. I'm so grateful for God's immense love, a great love that I don't deserve, but regardless, I plan to soak in every minute of every day that He allows me to be next to her. My Lina.
The mutual journey that you have both chosen is in one of ups and downs, of weaknesses and strengths, of joys and sadness, of challenges and goals. But the one thing that keeps you going and gives you strength beyond all this is the love that you have for each other.
Finally, I prayed for someone who truly loved me unconditionally as God loves me, for the things that I am now and the things that I am yet not and can never be. I had never prayed for those things, and at that point, I just thought I would be the eternal bachelorette because it seemed impossible to find such a person. But with God, all things are possible. And He clearly had unexpected plans for me on this journey. So He took my nevers and sent me exactly what I needed. And that is you, my beloved.